stories. KCP Maoist Chief Sapamcha Kanglipal brought back to Imphal. Takdo sets deadline for release of JAC members. CBI probe into Baby Sana's death. And security forces step up vigil along Indo-Myanmar border, seize drugs. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief of Kanglipal Communist Party, Maoist Sapamcha Kanglipal, along with two cadres of KCP People's Work Group have been brought back to Imphal by a team of Manipur police around 11:30 am today. According to sources, he was arrested by a team of Special Cell Delhi Police from Nepal on August 7th last. It may be noted that Maoist leader Kanglipal, the former president of the Manipur Forward Youth Front, MAFYF, was arrested in late 2008 under National Security Act NSA for making a public speech which allegedly disturbed peace in the state, and was kept at a security ward of the JN Hospital at Porompat following health problem. But Kanglipal escaped from the hospital on the night of December 28, 2008. Since he had failed to turn up and report, he hails from Nongada in Imphal East District. Chairman of the banned Kanglipal Communist Party, Maoist Sapam Kanglipal Meitei alias Chinglen, is 38 years, along with the self-styled Finance Secretary of Kanglipal Communist Party, People War Group, Wahingbam Thoi Luang alias John, is 36 years, and Kangabam Therapy Saksing, aged 27 years, of KCP, were arrested by a joint team of Manipur police in Patna, Bihar on August 8. Acting on the tip-off, a team of Manipur police proceeded to Patna, Bihar to arrest the three hardcore extremist cadres from Harding Road near Patna Junction on Thursday late night, police said. Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization Takdo today demanded unconditional release of members of the Joint Action Committee JAC seeking justice for N. Baby Sana, to hand over the case of Baby Sana to Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) by August 17 and to stop harassing Baby Sana's family members alleged by police. During a press meet at Thangmaiban, President of Takdo Youth Wing Tribal Forum Gaidon Gangmi also condemned the alleged harassment meted out to protesting students by the state police during agitation demanding justice for Baby Sana. He said that people of Thangmaiban will not accept the police claim that Baby Sana committed suicide. Gaidon claimed it was quite evident that it was a premeditated murder.
Baby Sana's family Kangana harassment pirise asidi piba suai yaroi yumgi labor family kuding makte masa sibagi awaba saningai thakningai tumdaningai khangdana maisa kya khangai matam sida Manipur sarkana home department harassment pibi yaroi masigi matanda chief minister education minister tumina taipse suya yaroi haibidi police amana natraga Home Department na tokpa kuding magse Home Department gi Home Mantri gi concern aduna isidi we strongly condemn asimdi khongpham se handok piu haibise Thangmaiban gi parja adoga takdo gi taraptaki akanba appeal ma tawjabani.
Condemning Baby Sana's death inside the hostel room of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, in a suspicious manner on July 18, residents and Maira Paivi volunteers of Uripo Khoisnamlikai, Imphal West today a sit-in protest at the locality. As per reports, police tried to foil the demonstration. The police also angered the protesters by claiming that Baby Sana died after committing suicide.
Isagi the Mactani and Mihaza, the Badugi Asibo, the Pama Mayamse, Nasi Dana Pamon, Pambasida Policina Laga, Hidamise, Mrs. Matanda Marna, Sisaba Society, Noida Canana Society, the Mactacana, Nuigi mi Hapaputopiga Doribano Darkata de Loisalu, Hiragana, Loina Sido Pire, Loisido Pire, Loisido Tame, Pangano Canaro, Matanda Sizabani Man, Hidamise, Noi Kang Dabra, Dadi, Daga Irame, Matanda Society of Zabani, Habazimana, Yankana Hirame, see, police took Ingosa, police to Mana Yankana Hirame, Kano Society Raga Sizabani. Masama Tanda Sizabani, Mihat Pakarano, no Puto, Hibado, Oi, the Bawapamni, Dana Pambigano, Loisalo, and the Spintor Sido Meba. Aduna Aseng Bado, Aquina Pamise, Matanda Sizabani, Hibasina Yadori Brana, Tragamagi, Signaba, Missis gets in a Signariba Mawong says, Sina Kangi, Manakang Prazame, and that same Badonta Kangan Biwa, Masia in a Tamzaribasin.
On the other hand, locals and Maira Paibe volunteers of Sangaithel, Imphal West jointly held a sit-in demonstration against the mysterious death of Baby Sana. The protesters also displayed placards demanding punishment to the culprits at the earliest possible. Women folk of Tera Sapamlerak in Imphal West also staged a sit-in protest demanding swift justice for Ningthauzam Baby Sana. Similar protests were held in different parts of the state. Karang Island Development Organization demonstrated sit-in protest seeking justice for N. Baby Sana at Karang Boating Complex today. Women volunteers and students who took part in the protest shouted various slogans demanding swift justice for N. Baby Sana Chanu. Sangai Pro Mahila Mandal Nupi Loop and Naharol Club Sangai Pro Mamanglekai jointly staged a sit-in protest against Baby Sana's death at the playground near Oil Depot, Sangai Pro, Tidim Road. The agitation was participated by around 50 individuals, including young girls, in demand for justice of Baby Sana and condemnation of the incident. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Aina aigi pusi gila minagadab nupa khan badine. Ai sage pamane.
Mafamse, mama sobam nate.
Ai izanu pibusu mangan gena khan.
Ai nang nuksi.
Ai di nang nuksi de.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak Lamjingba jewelry da lengsin birau.
Lamjingba jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subna taki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosam Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 Natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back after the break. Standard Robert High Secondary School Students Welfare Parents Association organized a meeting at Singzamai Bhagavati Lekai Community Hall today. The meeting discussed the difficulties faced by the students in the state since the mysterious death of N. Babisana on July 18 last. It was attended by parents and representatives of different student unions. The meet adopted some key resolutions that include demanding justice for Babisana, supporting any moved by the Babisana JAC and taking steps for the welfare and development of the students.
Manipur government na puthok hannabi dama dakshin ba haina ngasi famna lemna ki loina JAC na lokalapa kongjang chingdasu mapung phana sawar ba haina su yana ki haibna ham wari wari ani su wari to kitang modification to jere me ham ki pam pam ba tumina ani su wari tana akoi gi ngasagi kano dane ahum su wari ani su wari haidara ge mairo singi tungi oiba school asidagi transfer certificate dakar leiba matamda Ihanba Hanasu, Ihanba Hanasu, Maramato, Yana is Nani Wari Warga, Home to Warifina, Pitan Kumia cannot modify the Japanese, Home to Warrior, Mahima Sintamba Pang and Labor, standard over high secondary school, my Yoshim Atuba Matanda, Mahima Sintamba, Hawanaba, Amadi, Masigi the Mak Sarkata, Amasumari, and Hamsinta Viltova, Amasutasin Bags, Home to Warrior.
In view of the upcoming 73rd Independence Day celebrations, the Assam Rifles and More Police have been conducting search operations and keeping strict vigil along Indo-Myanmar border to thwart unwanted incidents. At around 1:30 p.m. yesterday, one person was apprehended along with 12 packets of brown sugar. In a separate incident, the security forces also arrested one person along with 1,656 grams of contraband drugs worth Rs 4,02,500 in the international market, sources said today. Amid panic among the locals of Kwatha in Technopole district, where widespread flu-like symptoms have been experiencing since the last few days, the Assam Rifles conducted a free medical camp at the village today. A team of doctors from More had earlier visited the village to assess the situation. But the situation has remained the same as the concerned department has failed to intervene, claimed Iboyaima, one of the secretaries of the village authority, while talking to media. He added that considering the situation and also in connection with the upcoming Independence Day celebration, the 12th Assam Rifles organized a free medical camp at the village. Doctors from district headquarters, Technopole Assam Rifles, participated in the camp where free medicines were also distributed to the locals. Iboyaima lauded the Assam Rifles for their noble gesture.
Sunday tang marida dumboregi imo Dr. Karatora ko thada ko tanraga lai mahurki adu lai mahur matung sida tang mangagi numita ko anabasi hitak sahalaga laina mo khangdaba anabja thoindun hegalak patumai laibadagi koina mathang matang torabda ko tang tare sida ko mari lainaba khunjida pubiri ba ko gi CSO amadi tenubangi semo ga tanraga da wahai se aina for lailon raka da mon kya thausabi daba masi ko yam nungai jate jam business de adubu ko na hairu ko dog dona ko laiminari ba te ba sara bangi jina ko tha khun bunung si biraga ngasi asi ko tha da yam na chawra ba mediging ke ma pangthokpi masi da ko na haina ga ledana khunja ma yam musil ana chekidira ma oina ko gi salary ba te ba sara bangi major amadi mo asi kuding ma pu ana khunji darapta harau thongduk seri.
A team of Lilong police arrested two drug peddlers along with 168 grams of suspected heroin last night from Nungai village, Lilong in Thawal district. The arrested individuals have been identified as Moinam Muhammad Amar Khan, aged 22 years, son of Muhammad Nurul Haq of Thawal Moizing, Konjing Lekai, and Maibam Muhammad Dr. Rahman, aged 33 years, son of Muhammad Muhidur Rahman from Kekman Amakcham, Thawal. Reportedly, the police team also recovered an auto rickshaw from the duo that was used in transportation of the contraband items. A case has been registered at Lilong police station in this regard. Members of Lomi Sinmi Apunbalup of Foizing Nodia, Imphal West has built a barricade with bamboos to hold dam water at Foizing Nodia, Thongkong. The step has been taken up to supply water to several acres of paddy fields in the area, the loop said today.
Dr. Sapam Ranjandaso, Akoigi Loop Asina, Akoigi Sigumba, Damaji Semjin Biu Hadona, Haukiba, Nasi Nini Humnigi Mamanga, Si Pisin Jacre, Mahang the Susi Minister Gimapamda, Hari Wapamasi, Chitisi Piduna, Lama Damasi, Matangi, the Pazana Semjinova, Tauragani, Habagi Pausu Tajare, Adubu, Haujoji, Logi, Pumasi, Kangal, Maram, the Koyam Sanga, Damasi Sabadegi, Sing Mausi. Chap chaba mong ni sing sil leire aduna koi lomi singna masigi damasi sing sing ase kangdol leiba lopom sing ase da hojik phangbang amgadra haibagi asaga lonena koi mayam mafam ase da thabak ase damasi.
The 30th State Level Thangta Championship kick-started at Baksi Ground, Hungpung of Ukhrul District yesterday. Addressing at the inaugural function as chief guest, titular King of Manipur Laisema Sana Jauba urged for promoting Thangta and ancient Manipuri martial art and uphold and preserve the cultural identity. Yesterday's event was also attended by President of Huel Lalong Thangta Association HLTA Manipur H. Prem Kumar and Superintendent of Police Ukhrul Warngam Ningsen. Around 335 players from 28 Thangta groups across the state are taking part in the championship. A praise meet was held today at the Ward number 4 of Bishnupur Municipal Council near CI College in connection with the acute shortage of drinking water and other issues facing the area. Councillor of Ward number 4 Bishnupur Municipal Council C.H. Bala Devi and several residents of the area attended the praise meet. The Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturer Welfare Association Manipur MGHSLWA has deeply condoled the sudden demise of Home Science Lecturer of Lilong Higher Secondary School Chonring Moinau Koring, wife of Simraiso Kasar of Ukhrul District, died yesterday. She was 32. Public and Information Secretary of MGHSLWA M. Romeo said the untimely demise of Chonring is a great loss to the teaching community. Let's take a short break once again.
Welcome to SRM IST Delhi NCR Campus Ghaziabad, India's most trusted educational institute. Be a part of success and let's go ahead.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Laikai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Pradhan of Wangjing Gram Panchayat, Tekcham Surmila distributed Belodana 200 an Ayush tablet to ward off Japanese encephalitis to around 800 houses of Wangjing, Thoubal district today. The tablets were supplied by the newly opened government Ayush hospital at Thoubal, Wangjing. Pradhan Surmila said that the tablets were distributed to around 800 households in 10 wards of Wangjing Gram Panchayat as a preventive measure against vector-borne diseases like Japanese encephalitis, which has been on the rise in parts of the state. 2 children in Wangjing area are confirmed to have been infected by JA, following which fogging exercise was also done in the area under the Chief Medical Officer Thoubal C informed. The Lining Thau Lamjingba Thogallup Kaino has organized a cleanliness drive in and around the sacred shrine of Ibudhau Lamjingba Laibung Kaino in Bisnupur district. Loop member as Somarendra said the cleanliness drive was conducted to maintain cleanliness, a healthy environment in the wake of outbreak of Japanese encephalitis in parts of Manipur. On his 60th birthday, Manipur Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam today extended interest-free monetary assistance to hard-working people and entrepreneurs of his constituency Thoubal. The minister, along with Lok Jan Shakti Party Manipur unit vice, also visited different places of the constituency and inspected houses constructed under the MLA Local Area Development Fund. Minister Karam Shyam stated that success can be achieved through hard work.
Harakpa ngaidana akoi khuding mana sumba prajagi tholakpa awa ana adagi leita laira mayam si yengsilagadi akoi sasongi tonganba mahaw ama piba ngamune habagi thajaba lei akoi honorable chief minister na magi yamna initiative oiba wakalona mada startup program hodokre adu startup program dadi interview face tawba adagi magi activities mayam ama utokpa darkar leiba aduna startup program da the Charuk Yaraga, even interview the Facebook Taujabangam Nabanharol Kaya, Manunda, Magi skill, Havasing by Mayam, the Lotana, Ledamiba Mayamdo, the Chaurak Bakara, the Miam, the Kangan Bagit and Zadu Lojabani.
Thoubal Municipal Council Ward number 9 joined the nationwide membership enrollment drive of Bharatiya Janata Party. The program was organized by TMC Councillor Waikhom Ibo Chauba under BJP Thoubal Mandal, during which around 300 people enrolled the BJP's membership. Faculty member of Singarban High School Silchar K. Karuna Mishra today organized a memorial service for her late grandmother Lakshmi Mishra at Kaptanpur Part 18, Lakhipur in Silchar. On the occasion, gifts were presented to several headmasters of various schools of the region. Awards were also distributed to toppers students of class 1 to 5. Advanced Intermediate College Moirang observed its 20th Foundation Day under the theme Assessing to World Knowledge Society at the college premises today. The occasion was attended by social worker Thongam Santi Singh, founder of the college, Urik Hingbam Ajit, retired National Assessor, Bangalore, Dr. A.K. Sundar Kumar Singh, Principal of the college, Y. Madhu and former Principal of the college, A. Sar Chandra Sharma as main guest. Addressing the event, social worker Santi said that the college has produced many bright students since its inception. He also urged every faculty members of the institution to work harder in maintaining the reputation of the college. Meritorious students of the college were also felicitated at the function. The 29th All Manipur Shooting Competition 2019 concluded today at the shooting range of Kumalambak Sports Complex, Imphal. At the closing function, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchan, General Secretary of Manipur Olympic Association Sunil Elangbam and President of Manipur Rifle Association M. Rajchandra were present. In the journalist category, TOMTV journalist Onel Sambanduram bagged a gold medal in 25-meter standard pistol, while B. Biseshwar of Morning Bell newspaper won silver and Y. Okendrajit of DY 365 won bronze medal in the championship.
Sanaroi Manipuri Sports Association Manipuri Zati Bharat Masakta Maitawi Adu Sports ki Pagalaiva Agang Sigi Terensi Yanganda Nasi mamang da hogi ba sarkar na su sik pali ba sarkar na su sports ki state sports policy ma matam masana masi sem da basi masi lai thibrin thamjani apui shooter marhuma thoina nongmai hom na ka pe si ta da uni am silo poni anamase apui matam siga sana ba state sports policy ma yana tangai padre thamjara ga e punam tagi losinda ba ya thong.
Congress President Rahul Gandhi today visited his constituency of Wayanad in Kerala that has been ravaged by floods. On the other hand, 9 bodies were recovered from the landslide in Malappuram's Nilambar, with 63 people still missing. The death toll in rain-related calamities climbed to 60. Today, red alerts are in place for Kannur, Wayanad and Kasaragod districts. Red alert warnings for Kozhikode and Malappuram have been changed to orange. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Mysterious death of Vibhishana. Students drive tear gas cells, mock bombs, many hurt. JSC votes to intensify stir. Decide Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination 2016 case within 8 weeks. Supreme Court to High Court. JCILPS demands status report of MP bill. The People's Chronicle. Students face off with police over Vibhishana's death. 27 wounded. Steps taken up for Census 2021, says Director. JCILPS demands update on MP bill status, warns of stir. Actors join court arrest stir, sit-ins continue. The Sunday Imphal Free Press. JCILPS demands Population Commission seeks up-to-date status of Manipur People Bill. Buns agitation against Vibhishana's death caused by government irresponsibility, says Joykishan. Police disperse agitating students. Health Minister Jayant Kumar inaugurates 5 projects. Corcom Ulfa I boycott Independence Day. General strike imposed in entire Northeast. The Morning Bell. Over 20 students injured in clashes with police as protests seeking justice turned violent. Actors Kaiku Gokul join protests. Corcom Ulfa I call to boycott Independence Day. General strike announced.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. KCP Maoist Chief Sapamcha Kangleipal brought back to Imphal. Takudo sets deadline for release of JAC members. CBI probe into Babysitter's death. And security forces step up vigil along Indo-Myanmar border, seize drugs. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.